Well, just... hide the turtle shell. He'll never find me. See ya!
Yeah, the turtle shell. Well, maybe it's best that Bob's not on stage for the next bird, but I do have another opportunity for an adult volunteer with a camera that wants to get a really cool shot of a bird in flight. You in the blue shirt, sir, I think it's a 36. Yeah, you, do you have a camera? Yeah, perfect, come on down. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Kyle, follow me. So what's gonna happen, this is where you're gonna come in. You're gonna take a duck right around here. The bird's gonna land on the rock. And when she flies by, she's gonna fly out to Kyle. And to Kyle, it's gonna fly out to Zach. She's gonna fly straight over you. It's okay, she's not gonna fly to you, don't worry. Fly out to Zach and then head all the way back and land on that rock. So catch that nice shot of her flying by. Don't forget, you get 2 for the price of 1 when she heads back. And I'm gonna try to help you out. Aim right about here. This is where you wanna snap the shutters to get the full wingspan. All right, are you ready? Yeah. All right, we only got 1 shot.
1 shot. One opportunity. This is everything you ever wanted.
Well, let's meet Abner, and Abner is an Abyssinian ground hornbill, and she gets her name for spending most of her time on the ground in Africa. Now, she doesn't fly too often, but maybe we can get a really cool shot of her as she flies through the sky, and we'll fly right by Kyle. She has white wingtips. It's really cool to see when she heads through the sky, so hopefully we can show that off for Kyle. Thank you. And oh my gosh, Kyle! Bob, could you come out here real quick?
What?
Give us a hand. Bob, what? Kyle, come on. Get down, get down, get down! Oh my gosh. Kyle, how did you fall in? Bob, there's some food behind the rock. Could you feed Abner? You can't go back out there. We need to get you another shirt or a towel. Bob, could you just feed Abner and talk about her for a bit? Oh my gosh, Kyle, I'm so sorry. So I don't even know where towels are.
All right, are you coming back? Hello? Hello? All right, well, Abner, she walks around the ground looking for things. She likes these grapes and, oh yeah, turtles! She'll go up to a turtle shell, deliver a series of powerful blows, just like that, eventually cracking the shell open and eating the inside. She has a strong beak and a strong neck, so she doesn't hurt herself. Okay, go home. Go home. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Oh. All right. There. Good work. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that was a really good job, Bob. How did you know how to say all that stuff?
Oh, let's see, I've heard it a few times. 10 summers, 150 times a summer, so that's 8 million times I've heard that. So
that's some really accurate math.
Yeah.
Well, it seems like the birds really like you, so
there's another bird that likes me in the back. I bet everybody will want to see her because she's really cute. I'm gonna go get her and show her to everybody. Okay. But she's just learning, okay? But I need your help. Here, can you take this thing right here?
Okay, yeah.
Here, just take this.
All right. And where does this go?
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle. I think you're missing a pretty important part.
No, we're good. And now please just get out of the way. Please and thank you. All right. So this little girl, this is Gabby, and she is a yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And she's just like that other parrot, but she's learning. She's just learning how to be out here and do stuff. So, Gabby, can you give some kisses? Kisses? More kisses? There you go. Another thing she likes the animals right behind us. A lot of the zoo's animals she likes, but the ones right behind us, the big tiger. There you go. She likes the little tigers there. She also watches the same movies as Coco, so she watches. Hold on. She watches the movies that have flying saucers that shoot laser beams. Yeah, there you go, laser beams. She's working on her manners too. Hello. Yeah, she's learning how to say hello. But her favorite thing, she likes to sing. She likes to sing the opera. Because you know the Cincinnati opera actually started here in the zoo, but you didn't know that. But to get her to sing, like a lot of us, she's a little bit shy in front of a crowd. So to get started, usually I start singing and then she'll take the solo. Here we go. Very good. All right, Gabby.
That was some really good singing. But Bob, I didn't catch, what song was that?
Oh, I'm not quite sure. All opera kind of sounds the same.
Well, it seems like Bob's doing a really good job with the birds. He saved the day with Abner, and it was a good idea to come out here with Gabby. Do you guys think that we should give Bob another chance with another bird?
Yeah.
I heard a commotion. Is something wrong? Did Abner get out again?
Oh, no, I think Abner's still in the back with Kyle. But we were just talking, it seems like the birds really like you, and you really like the birds.
Oh man, I love the birds, and I've learned a lot from my time here. I've learned birds play a really important part in a lot of our lives. In things like the food we eat, and the air we breathe, and even the water that we drink.
Yeah, that's episode. Oh my gosh, look!
My water bottle!
It's
Wow.
Sidney. I told you, he was just looking out for you. I think he just went to go fill it up.
Oh, and then it looks like he drank most of it and left me with some of this delicious backwash. Gross. You know, though, I am thirsty. I need a drink.
Oh, no. Ew. That gross water reminds me of all the chemicals that used to be in the water.
Chemicals in the water?
That was a long time ago, though. It was about 50 years ago, and it was a pesticide called DDT, which had a harmful effect on the bald eagle population.
Oh.
In 1970, here in Ohio, we only had 4 bald eagle nests left. But since then, we have banned DDT, and this year alone, we have over 200 bald eagle nests here in Ohio.
Oh, that's awesome.
Like I said, examine the setup up and
But that's not
down.
even the coolest part.
What?
We actually can show everyone one of these bald eagles.
Really? Where?
Well, we were talking, and we thought that you could show everybody this.
I'm
Yes,
gonna
yes,
show
bald eagle.
bald eagle. That'd be awesome.
Yes.
All right, awesome. Well, first things first, Sydney, he needs to go home.
Oh, you gotta go home, Sydney. Okay, go home. Go home. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sydney.
And then next, you need to look the part. So lose the hat.
Lose the
and
hat.
then we'll get you a new bird show shirt.
Oh,
all right.
no,
I think there's
no,
one in the
right
back.
here.
In the...
All right, I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
How long have you been wearing that?
I've been wearing it for 10 years. They gave it to me by mistake my first day, and I haven't taken it off. Ready for this moment.
Good thing.
So,
Last thing we need is a glove to catch it.
Recording.
Oh,
like this one right here.
Whoa.
And Bob, I have to tell you,
What?
this is Gary's old glove.
The glove of Gary. Oh, it still smells like Gary. Weird.
That's gross. All right, we're gonna head to the corner of the stage here, where Sam, the bald eagle, is gonna be flying off the side of the hill where you see Zach there.
Oh, hi, Zach.
All you need to do is to stick your glove out, and then Sam will land right here with you whenever you're ready. I believe in you.
Okay. Oh, man, this is my big moment. Deep breath. Here comes the bald eagle. And 2, 3, 4. Let's do it.
There it is.
Wow! Awesome! We caught a bald eagle!
That was a fantastic flight, Bob, and I think now that you caught the bald eagle, we can make you an official trainer here at the bird show.
Oh, I'm a bird trainer right now!
Congratulations, Bob, and from all of us here at the America's Wings of Wonder here, and from Kyle too, we'd like to thank you for coming, and we really hope you enjoyed the show. I'll be around for a few minutes after if you have any questions, but please enjoy the rest of your day here at the Cincinnati Zoo. Goodbye, everybody!